Stop. Revolving light. Are you unknowingly harming your hemlock trees? Every year, thousands of hemlocks suffer due to bad pruning, poor watering, and wrong fertilizers, but most people don't even realize it. Hemlocks are beautiful, resilient evergreens, but they have one big weakness: they need precise care to survive. And if you're not doing this, you could be cutting years off your tree's life. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes that could be harming your hemlocks, and exactly what you need to do instead. Let's dive in. Want more expert tips to keep your hemlock trees healthy and thriving? Evergreen Tree. Click the link below to get a full, step-by-step guide on hemlock tree care, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and save this video so you never make these mistakes again.